It is all a trap. And I'll tell you what, the bears, the shorts, they're falling into it perfectly. And I want to show you guys why exactly this is. This is something that over the coming months is going to lead into this major pop in the market, alt season, exciting times, especially as alts are now starting to outpace BTC. So yesterday was a big indication of that. We saw BTC bleed all the way down to this 58K range. We broke below our 20-week moving average. We came all the way down to our 200-day moving average. Actually, a bunch of whales bought up heavily in that range. They had buys set at 58.5. And guess what? We bounced back in a nice, strong way all the way up to 61K. This is all looking really good. And during this time, even though BTC was retracing, we saw alts start outpacing BTC, kind of those early signs of alt season, like I've discussed in other videos today. Very exciting stuff. Now, what we're seeing here is likely a bear trap. This is a normal thing. And why I say this is normal is we go through these periods of the cycle, all right? These different phases of psychology. I know I've talked about this before, but we've been in this disbelief phase, right? Where we had this big explosive pop, and then we've been coming down. We've been retracing. This is a sucker's rally. This rally will fail like the others. And what happens every time out of this is a pop, an explosion. The bears try to get too bearish, and then the market flips around and away we go. Sentiment gets higher. FOMO hits in a big way. Alts go on massive explosions. That's kind of what we've been waiting for in terms of alt season, right? Now that alts are starting to outpace BTC a little bit, gain a little dominance, what you need is this BTC pop in order for things to really start snowballing. We've seen this happen every single cycle, and now I think we're on the verge of it again. In fact, when we look at this main stages in a bubble, it calls it, these are the different phases. It's kind of the market psychology just basically laid out in, well, essentially the same way, right? This is that bear trap. This is the first sell-off into the bear trap. And why I say this is what we're seeing actually fill in here is a lot of shorts. A lot of shorts are actually filling in and betting against the market. I'm trying to get this in a way here that you can see easily. With this drop in terms of Bitcoin, short positions have started filling in right on top of it. And what we may see here is a little bit of sideways trading as we go through the week. And obviously this is, not a guarantee, but these shorts are going to continue filling in and filling in and filling in like they've always done. In fact, a lot of these short positions, they sit right up, especially the big ones, up in this 64K range, which is not very far away from here. It's a 5% move in terms of BTC. And BTC can, in fact, get some of this back quickly because there are some short positions just above here. If you guys are curious, just down below here, there's nothing. Nothing all the way down to about 58K. That's where a bunch of long positions are open. And frankly, this kickoff is about to happen, okay? I believe this is a trap. People are falling for it. And, there's no guarantees in the crypto market. But when we look at history, and I keep referencing history a bunch, the trends tend to stay consistent. The direction, the movements, they all tend to stay exactly the same. They just happen in slightly different ways, different players, different prices, things like that. But this happens time and time again. And people are ignoring it. People are ignoring the fact that from this time standpoint, from the chart standpoint, we're ready for that pop in the market. So don't fall for the trap. People can obviously do what they want. Me personally, right now, I'm accumulating. I'm taking advantage of the fear in the market because that fear ain't going to be here much longer. So have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.